Hello everyone, this is the Cardmaker Beta tutorial part 7, Spreadsheet Merge. So one of the strong features of Cardmaker Beta is that you're able to import a spreadsheet's worth of data and then use that data to create many different cards using the same template. We're going to take a look at the spreadsheet that I'm currently using. So to use a spreadsheet that's on your local machine, you're going to want to use a spreadsheet that's saved in a comma-separated value file or a .csv. Now, the comma-separated value files will not have the same functionality as normal spreadsheets, so you can't put in formulas and so forth. But once you've created a spreadsheet that has what you need to have in it, you can save it as a comma-separated value file, and then Cardmaker can access it. You can see that in this spreadsheet here, we have the first column is always going to be the count, followed by a bunch of different columns that have different column headers. After the first row, which defines what the column headers are going to be, you have the contents of what your cards are going to have on them, with each row representing one card's worth of information. So, for example, the sort card is using this worth of information, and it's only going to contain one copy of that within our card sheet. The name field currently is using a formatted text, and the images and icons have just image names because they're going to be used for graphics. So if we go over to Cardmaker, we are going to reload this project, open up the starter, go to the default, and then we're going to open up text. So we have a text field here. And as before, if we put in anything, the definition is going to be defined there. Right now, by default, our CMP file, our Cardmaker file already has a reference, but we're going to remove it to show how to add it. So we're going to add a reference, find our CSV file, open it, and now we have access to all the information that's in the CSV. The information, since we're on card number 1 of 6, because the CSV displays 6 cards, because 1, 2, and 3, we're on card number 1, which means row number 1, and this is the information that's available from the CSV. So as you can see, it has all the information from row number 1. Now, if we want to use this information, we are going to, currently we are using the text box, going to go into the definition for the text box and right-click on text and add a reference to the column. Now, this reference means that as we switch cards, it's going to update that reference to refer to the next row. So right now I'm on the shield text, which contains this formatted text build, which has the activate icon, prevent, and then it shows some damage icons. And in the last card, it'll be this. So as you can see, as we switch from card to card, Cardmaker is creating a different card using the same template, but using the information that changes from row to row. And if we put together the rest of the card, grabbing an icon up here, putting it in where an icon would be, and then adding the the icon tag, you can see that this element is already pre-made to be a graphic, and the icon is only going to place this piece of text, which is a file name, into this field. Because it's a file name, it's able to find this file and place this image there. And as you scroll through the cards, you can see that it also rotates depending on which card you're on. And that's how you merge spreadsheets with Cardmaker Beta.